Hey boy, you're a good kitty boy. Let's start with this one. And eyes. Oh. Shit, I quit. Okay, let me try. Too much pressure. Shit. What? Very gentle. Freaking useless. Now, that is how I feel for the past 10 years. Every time I want to make something, learn something, do something, my brains tell me to quit. Because I'm useless. I will never be good. Don't be like me. I've learned that your brain is not designed to make you want to discover a new experience. It's designed just for survival. It's designed for eating, sleeping, and sex. And your brain will lie to you. Then you became your worst enemy. Your talent is overrated. You can accomplish anything if you're just willing to do it. You know how? Just focus on doing one thing. Just one. And just do it. Get it done. No one will help you. Everyone has their own shit to deal with. So you just gotta make a choice. One small task. Set it and do it. No one's want to hear that. I know. I hate that too. Stop thinking about what you're gonna do, how to do it, when to do it. Waiting until it's perfect. It's never gonna come. Cause when you think like that, that is where you procrastinate. You know, just start small and steady. Some people always think about the big stuff, the big dreams. No, do that just one small thing. That thing that you have been waiting to do. That thing that you always wanting to do. Pick a task, a small task, a task that you can do right now as you're watching this. And believe me, once you start doing it, you'll feel the progress. And once you start doing it and progress, makes you happy. When you're happy, you want more of that feeling. And you start doing more. What really matters to you. Enough of the talking. Now let's try this right now. Say you want to get fit. Now get up and jump. Jump right now. Do it. Just for 1 minute. There's no excuse. Everyone have 1 minute. And you probably can do more than 1 minute. Tell me how you feel. You see? You did it. You just did it. Everything is gonna be okay, guys. Everything is gonna be okay. I love you guys. RUSMIX Live, signing out.